Did you ever feel like others are trying to clip your wings or pull you down, yet you refuse to be grounded because you have a vision and purpose that no one can take away? Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is your host Neeta Rawat, aka Neet Uplifts. I'm a certified life coach, a motivational speaker and writer, a dancer, and a content creator. And as you all know that I've started this life coaching series, so welcome back to my life coaching series, episode number 2. So in today's video we are going to talk about how to excel beyond the workplace grind, how to deal with toxic people anywhere in your life, and finding strength in your true vision and purpose. So don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon in order to get any further updates. So without wasting any time, let's begin. देखो, लाइफ में ना चाहे जो हो जाए, it doesn't matter. Never ever let anyone tell you that you cannot do this because of the background or place you come from or the title you hold in your 9 to 5. Your current circumstances are not your limit. You are not defined by your current circumstances. And there is like only limit of yours is your soul. So never ever let anyone, भाई किसी को मत बताने दो अपनी लाइफ में कि तुम ये नहीं कर सकते, तुम वो नहीं कर सकते. बट इट्स अ लाइफ में ऐसा होता ही नहीं है भाई. द रियलिटी इज़ कम्प्लीटली डिफरेंट. लोग तुमको बताएंगे तुम ये नहीं कर सकते, तुम वो नहीं कर सकते, तुमसे ये नहीं होगा, जो तुम सोच रहे हो तो पॉसिबल ही नहीं है. वाई यू आर थिंकिंग यू विल लूज, तुम हार जाओगे. ये तो जो तुम सोच रहे हो ये तो कभी होना ही नहीं है. वेलकम टू द रियल वर्ल्ड, जहाँ हर किसी को बस अपने बारे में पड़ी हुई है एंड रेस्ट ऑफ द वर्ल्ड कैन गो टू द लिविंग हेल. And that is not the most shocking part. Wait, there is some more. The most shocking part is if an individual is trying to do something good out of their life for himself or for themselves or for the whole world. The world, people cannot digest even that. They will try to manipulate you. They will try to get inside your head so that you will give up. And in so many ways, they will try to manipulate you until you give up. And there's more also. I mean, there are some people in life, in the world, who are so invested in other people's life. They are not at all concerned उनकी लाइफ में क्या चल रहा है, how bad is their growth. They are so invested in other people's life that यार ये पर्सन कुछ कर रहा है, what if इसकी लाइफ में कुछ अच्छा हो जाए. And इट्स सो ट्रू दैट पीपल आर सो इन्वेस्टेड. भाई ये कुछ अच्छा कर रहा है, इसके लाइफ में कुछ अच्छा हो गया तो वट इफ एंड लाइक दैट दे ऑल बिल्ड दिस एंजाइटी इन देयर ओन माइंड. दे आर नॉट एट ऑल कंसर्न भाई कि मेरी लाइफ में मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ, क्या नहीं कर रहा हूँ. लेकिन सबको दूसरे के बारे में सबको जानना है, इन 4 लोगों को, कि वो क्या कर रहा है, वो क्यों कर रहा है, और उसके लाइफ में कुछ अच्छा ना हो जाए. एंड दैट्स द रियलिटी. लाइक आई सेड, वेलकम टू द रियल वर्ल्ड, where this is all what happens in real life. And this is not it. Means they're like people, I'm saying ना, 4 लोग तुमको बोलेंगे तुम ये नहीं कर सकते, but actually this log phrase I'm using again and again. Who are these people? कौन है ये लोग? These are no outsiders. These are the same people you meet every day. Either you meet them at your work or anywhere in your life. You meet these people. You interact with them like on a regular basis. As we all know that, that support comes from a complete stranger and a betrayal comes from a very closest person. So that's the reality. Means people are so concerned and the पीपल वी आर यूजिंग, भाई ये लोग हमको ऐसा बोल रहे हैं, वो लोग हमको ऐसा बोल रहे हैं, बट एक्चुअली ये लोग हैं कौन? ये लोग वही हैं. दीज आर द होल पीपल सराउंडेड बाई यू. either at your workplace, somewhere in your life you interact with them, you stay close to them, and that's the actual reality. अब देखो लाइफ में ना आज के टाइम पे एवरी वन इज़ वर्किंग फॉर अ बेटरमेंट इन देयर लाइफ. हर कोई काम कर रहा है भाई. ओके, एंड एवरी वन इज़ फेसिंग समथिंग सिमिलर समवेयर. नॉट जस्ट कि अपने काम पे ये लोग फेस करते हैं. मीन्स anyone can face any toxic behavior, anything like manipulation anywhere in their life. Okay, so it's not a big deal, it's a very common thing that everyone is facing and everyone is working. But I'm here to tell you what you should do. What I'm about to tell you, you should listen that, because I'm not gonna tell you something that, you know, just without any reasonable thing. I would tell you only because I have experienced it, I have lived it, and that's what I am going to do. Okay, so your life is like your outside world, जो तुम्हारी बाहर की ये दुनिया है ना, it is only defined by 10% of your whole world outside. Your outside world is defined by 10% of your whole life. Rest of the remaining 90% defined by you only, no one else. I mean it. Your 10% of your life defines by the whole world outside. Your 90% is you. As long as you treat yourself like a royalty, like a leader, freaking queen or king, whatsoever you feel, as long as you do that, you will be treated like a royalty wherever you go. Now I'm going to give you an example what I'm trying to tell you, ki what you have to do, because the manipulation, this kind of toxic behavior, it's not going to stop. But what you cannot change others, that's a very simple fact, but you can change yourself, or you can work on yourself. Now I'll give you an example. Very famous movie, we all have seen Bahubali. Yes, we all have. In that we have the Bahubali character and the Ballal Dev, where Bahubali was casted out, उसको निकाल दिया गया था from the royal palace, and Ballal Dev was the king. Okay, he was given the kingdom and he was made the king. Yet Bahubali was living in a village with poor villagers and in a very, dwelling condition and pathetic condition. Yet Ballal Dev wanted to kill him. Why? That's the big question. I'll tell you why. Because no matter, he himself said that, एक डायलॉग है उस मूवी में, वो बोलता है उसमें क्लियरली कि as long as he is alive, he is going to live like a freaking leader, और you can say a king. No matter वो कहाँ रह रहा है, किस जगह है, जब तक ये इंसान जिंदा है, ये ज़िंदगी में एक राजा की तरह ही रहेगा. And that's my friends, what I'm talking about. Like, this is what I'm talking about. As long as you treat yourself like a freaking royalty, leader, king, queen, you will be treated like that, because your outside world is 10% of your life, the 90% defined by you. And I'm not saying this like as a somebody who hasn't walked a mile. I would never say something if I haven't walked in those shoes myself, and not just few distant miles. As I told you, मैं चलता फिरता example of everything I just told you. If you have watched my first video from my journey from pressure to passion, you would have seen that I started working very early, like 23. I know it's not very early, but yeah, I started working at a very, like, 22 ended and 23 you can say. And the place where I work, I am like the youngest member of the whole place where I work. Yet I face such condescending attitudes and many times a manipulation behavior, and you won't believe the age gap is is crossing like 2 decades. Yes, it's true. Still I have faced all that from few people, not everyone, but few people gave me such condescending attitudes and unnecessary behavior. I know I'm just a another face for them at workplace. Okay, but for them I'm just another face. For myself, because I know me, I may be another face, just another face they see regularly at work. But for myself, I know that what kind of vision, potential I have in my mind, the purpose I am living. I know all that. And I'd rather let everyone, especially these toxic people out there, think I'm a nobody, I have no goal, I have no vision, than them actually knowing what my vision, purpose and goal is. So I'm okay with them not knowing that I'm actually somebody. I'm very happy to know that they think I'm a nobody. because as long as the world doesn't know anything, the world cannot ruin anything it doesn't know. And that's the reality, my friend. Be it a relationship, be it a success, be it a work, be it anything precious to you, the world cannot destroy what it doesn't know. So it's okay. I have made my peace with that. And this is for everyone who's grilling for a better life. You know, when the time comes, when the time will come, your story will be unfolded. Your story will be witnessed by the whole people, not just these toxic people, but by the whole world. Your story will unfold one day. Have a little bit patience more. And like I said, how to deal with the toxic people, how to deal with their manipulative behavior, how to excel beyond the workplace grind. You're not defined just from your place or 9 to 5 job. There's so many things that you can do. There are so many visions you have, and you need not to define that vision to anyone. So that's all for today. I will see you in next time in the next video with a very interesting topic again. But before leaving, I would want to express a very beautiful thing to you, that no matter how amount of highest credential you have, you could have a PhD, you could have a multiple degree or the highest credentials of education or anything, but if you lack ethics, basic ethics, moral or values, and have no integrity, and you are so unkind to other people, how you treat other people, your everything is meaningless. Yes, and that is true. Till then, you take care, stay fiery, stay fearless. No one, let no one tell you your worth, like I said. No one. Till then, signing off, your life coach Neeta Rawat. Until next time. Till then, bye bye. Take care.